What do you guys think is going to happen with the infrastructure bill? Are U.S. companies and investors going to be forced offshore? What do you guys think? Let's go to Forrest.
Yeah, so short term, I think this could hurt the crypto industry, and I think it could make people have to move. It could be a really big thorn in the side in the short term. It could hurt the price action short term, create some buying opportunities. When price goes down in crypto, that's all it is. It's a buying opportunity. But in the long term, I think it's like fuel. It's accelerant on the fire to advance the space, especially when it comes to privacy solutions. So if we do see this infrastructure bill pass, again, this is not financial advice. This is speculation. I would expect the privacy sector of crypto to really excel at a fast pace. Right? We've seen other narratives. We've seen DeFi. We've seen NFTs. Privacy hasn't really participated in the crypto space, even in this bull market, right? We've barely seen anything out of Monero. We've barely seen anything out of Zcash. Haven't really seen anything until recent from Tornado Cash, a solution on Ethereum. But I think if this infrastructure bill passes and privacy becomes a bigger narrative, those could be the projects that really excel from this catalyst.
All right, thank you, Forrest. Bill?
Okay, this idea that the US government wants to push crypto overseas could create negative price action in the short term. And as Forrest hinted, that would be an opportunity. I think the fact that they decided to sweep this crypto legislation inside this infrastructure bill has actually promoted crypto to a major issue. And the fact that nobody can seem to get through to their senators because the voicemails are all full. This bill, this stunt that they've pulled has triggered like little guy versus big guy. If they pass it, they're going to make crypto even bigger over the long term, right? They're going to make it obvious that, large government entities are against crypto, and that's actually going to make more people for crypto. So price action short term should not be confused with what they've actually done to the crypto narrative, which I think they've improved it by highlighting this little guy versus big guy problem.
All right, well said, Bill. I think the beauty in the bill, even though the bill sucks, but the beauty is how the entire crypto community has rallied and really used our influence to stop and impede legislation, which rarely happens. So if we can turn this into a huge win, that would be great for crypto, because now politicians will know that crypto is not to be messed with, right? Because we'll come after you, right? Now, on the other side, though, I mean, let's say this gets passed, and let's say this is the same thing that happened back in poker. I think a while back when all U.S. poker players were basically forced to leave the U.S., right? Because it was hard to play poker here in the U.S. And that happens in crypto. Where do Americans go, right? Where do American companies go? Is it Switzerland? Is it Dubai? I mean, even me, myself, I've had to kind of think about this. Let's say, worst case scenario, Black Swan event, this actually gets passed. What happens to Token Metrics? Do we have to now go overseas, right? If that happens, tell us where to go to. Tell us down below. Should we move to Dubai, to Switzerland, to Portugal, to Hong Kong? Tell us what country would be pro-crypto and pro-token metrics. All right, so let's see what the audience has to say. All right, yes, but not too much. All right, thank you for voting.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.